Imagine transforming your AutoCAD drawings from basic to professional with just a few tweaks. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, creators and engineers. In today's video, we are diving into two essential features in AutoCAD that can elevate your design: text style and dimension style. Whether you are working on technical drawings or architectural plans, mastering these styles will help you ensure your work is not only accurate but also visually professional. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we start creating our own text style and dimension style, let's see how the standard one looks. Go to Home tab, Annotation, click on Text. Let's type Bedroom. This is how it looks, the standard one. For the text, press Escape to remove selection. Now let's see how the standard dimension looks like. Left click, specify your first point, left click, the opposite corner point, left click. Now, to confirm selection, left click. Press Escape to end command. This is how it looks, the standard dimension and text style. Now let's move on to dimension style. This feature lets you control how dimensions appear, which is crucial for clear and precise communication in your drawings. To access dimension style, type dim style into the command line or go to the Annotation tab and select dimension style. In the Dimension Style Manager, you can modify existing styles or create a new ones by adjusting settings like line type, text alignment, and arrowheads. This customization ensures your dimensions are accurate and easily understood. Once you have set up your text and dimension styles, applying them is simple. Select the text or dimension you want to update and choose the desired style from the Properties panel. This not only saves time, but also maintains consistency throughout your project. The Dimension Style Manager in AutoCAD is a powerful tool that allows you to control the appearance of dimension, lines, text, and other elements related to dimension in your drawing. Here is a breakdown of the key section and options within the Dimension Style window. In Dimension Style Manager Overview, create, modify, or overwrite styles. This window allows you to create new dimension style, modify existing ones, or override certain settings temporarily. List of styles display all the dimension styles available in the current drawing. If we click on New, create a new dimension style, modify, edit an existing dimension style, override, temporarily change specific settings without altering the past style. Set current, make a specific dimension style the default for new dimension. To create new dimension style, click on New. Create new dimension style window will appear. Here you can give it a name. We will name it External Dimension Style. You can select also Start with Standard and click on Continue. A new window will appear. Here is what each tab covers. Lines type, dimension lines. Adjust the color, line type, and line weight of the dimension lines. Extend beyond text, length of the dimension line beyond the extension lines. Baseline spacing, the distance between the baseline dimension. Extension lines, customize the appearance of the line text extended from the object to the dimension lines. Offset from origin, distance between the extension line and the start of the object. Suppress, option to hide one or both extension line. Second tab, we have Symbols and Arrows tab. Arrowhead, choose the style of arrowhead, example closed field, open, dot, whatever you want. Arrow size, adjust the size of the arrowheads. Center marks, control how center marks or center lines are displayed for circles and arcs. Mark size, size of the center mark. Line, option to use a center line instead of a center mark. Third, Text tab. Text appearance, set the text style, color, and height for dimension text. Text alignment, options for horizontal, vertical, or aligned text. Text placement, control where the text appears in relation to dimension line, whether vertical or horizontal. Vertical, position above, below, or centered on the dimension line. Horizontal, position center or offset to the left or right. Fit tab, Fit options. Adjust how dimension text and arrows fit within the dimension line. Fix text manually allows for manual positioning of the text. Scale for dimension feature. Set a global scale for all dimension feature, which is particularly useful for scaling dimensions in layout. Next tab, primary units tab. Unit format. Set the format for primary units, example decimal, architectural, fractional. Precision. Control the number of decimal places displayed. Measurement scale. Adjust the scale factor for the dimension units, which is useful for drawings with the different unit system. Next, alternate unit tab. Displays alternate units show another unit system, example metric and imperial, alongside the primary unit. Multiply for alt units. Define the conversion factor between primary and alternate units. Tolerance tab is the last tab. In tolerance, set the tolerance display for dimension, which is crucial in manufacturing and engineering drawings where precision is vital. Method. Choose the type of tolerance, example symmetric, deficient, precision. Define the number of decimal places for the tolerance values. After making adjustments, you can apply them by clicking OK or preview changes in the drawing by setting the modifies styles as current. Now let's create internal dimension style. So by this, we have created our external dimension style and internal dimension style. Let's turn on the line weight. So this is our dimensions style. Now let's create our own text style. Text style allows you to customize the appearance of your text, ensuring clarity and consistency across your drawings. To access text style, simply type style into the command line or navigate to the annotation tab and select text style. Here you can create a new style by selecting a font, adjusting the height, width factor, and oblique angle. Remember, a well-chosen text style makes your drawings more readable and professional. So from annotate tab, here on standard, click manage text style. Here we are, this is our text style window. From here you can select the font type, whether Arial, Times New Roman, or whatever you want. From here you can select the font style. Let's give it a height of 0.5. By this way we have modified the standard one. So let's see what will happen. Apply, close. Now let's select again text. Boom. As you can see, it becomes more visible. Now to create your own text style, click on standard, manage text style. From here click on new. Give it a name, let's say text RP residential building. Click on OK. Select the type of font you want. Let's select this time Times New Roman. Make it bold. Here's the height. This time we will give it smaller height. Let's say 3. Keep the remaining setting as it is. Click on apply, set current, close. Now let's try it. Bedroom. From here you can also select multi-line or single line. So let's say that you want a single line. Bedroom. Enter 30 into let's say 45 centimeter. Now to end comment, click anywhere on the working space. Left click. Now as you can see, you can start writing another text. Let's say kitchen. Enter 30 into 45 centimeter. To end comment, press escape. As you can see, it's only written kitchen and we just write kitchen, and the 30 into 40 is deleted because we press on escape. So in order to write, you should press on enter or left click on anywhere on the drawing space. I'll show you one more time. Single type. Let's type this time living room. Enter. 30 into 50 centimeter. enter. Now left click anywhere to end command, press escape. So what is the difference between single and multi-line text? Let's type here bedroom, enter, 30 into 45 centimeter. To end comment, click on this, close text editor. The difference is that single line text is for simple text where each line is a separate text object. In the other hand, multi-line text allows you to write multiple lines of text in a single text box, similar to using a word processor. So as you can see, here each one acts individually. But in this one, it's only one object. This is the difference between multi-line text and single-line text. To edit, you can double-click to edit. So let's say it's bedroom 2, close. And there you have it, a quick guide to using text style and dimension style in AutoCAD. By mastering these tools, you can enhance the readability and professionalism of your drawings. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video, inshallah.